I'm Victoria, and in this video I'm going to take you through a CharacterScope solo report and show you where you can find your solo report in the CharacterScope system. So you can either work through session 2 of your personal journey, so by clicking on My Journey, go to session 2 and work through the results of your strength mapping. And in that digital coaching session, there is a link that will take you to your full report. But if you want to go straight to that report, you can do that by here in My Profile, clicking on Solo. And I'll take you through an example report here. So this report for example person, you can see at the top here, we've got 2 leadership styles. And these are the ones that are the best fit for this person. And underneath, you've got the option to print a PDF or email this report. You're more than welcome to work from a PDF of this report, but we do recommend you work with a live system. As you go through, you'll see that you can click around on it. It's much more interactive. There's some information here about character and leadership for you to read, and then a summary of your leader types. So this head is unique to you, to the person who mapped their strengths. And you'll see there are colours and circles, and as you click around on them, you'll see what they mean. So the larger the circle, the better the fit and more characteristic. And as you work through, you can see here that the best fit is practical, 95, then executional, entrepreneurial, professional, innovator, then servant, charismatic, strategist, and then the smallest here, transformational. So the least fit is transformational in this example here. And we'll talk more about the leadership types later on in the report. There's some information here about the combination of those 2 best fit leader types. And then you'll see this information displayed in a bar chart here. So the one that's most fit to profile is open and you can see a summary. But as you click around on each of these, you can see more information. We'll also give you some examples of people who lead in this style. And you'll be able to see some information about at your best and dark side. And then a summary of your strengths and gaps. So when you did your strength mapping, there'll be items that are at the top, and these are the top 5. And here your gaps would be the bottom 5 ones that you rated. We'll show you the full list here of how you rated those items. And you'll see the larger the items, easier to see and easier to develop. And at the bottom, those that are less characteristic and hard to develop, harder to see, smaller. And you can click on each of these to get a summary of what they mean. There's some more information about those top 5 strengths. So those key strengths that your colleagues are likely to notice and value in you. And also thinking about those ones at the bottom. So how your bridgeable gaps might impact others and what your colleagues might notice. And then information on all of the 9 leader types. And in the live report, you've got the option to watch a video about the strengths framework. So if you're interested to know how the 34 strengths map into the 9 leader types, you can take a look at that and understand a bit more. And then we'll give you some guidance on what to do next in the platform. I've linked below some resources that you can use to work with your solo report. So get deeper into your solo report and thinking about your role in relation to your solo report. And if you'd like to be notified about other videos in this series, do go to our YouTube channel, CharacterScope, and subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching.